Hi folks, this is Paul over at Kellysport taking you through a new brokerage listing we just picked up this past weekend. This is a 2007 Manitou 26 Legacy. Couple big points on this boat. Verado 200 Mercury, that's a supercharged engine, inline 6. Very quiet, only about 300 hours on the boat. Given the age, it's pretty darn good. I'm just going to fire it up and I bet you can hardly hear it, but engine's running, very quiet boat. A lot of folks like that as opposed to a two-stroke. In 2007, pretty good chance you're going to see a lot of two-strokes and a few four-strokes mixed in there as well. But that's a great engine and it's very popular to this day. Similar engine is put on all of our new Benningtons in the 200 variety. Anyway, the upholstery looks really good on the boat. Carpet's cleaned, no major staining, well-kept boat. These folks are just moving out of the lake area and selling the toys in the condo. There is a lift available with the boat also for an additional price. So if you're looking for the package deal, this would be a good one. A couple little things to point out on the boat. There is a dent there in the rear panel. Nothing world-ending by any means. Back of the boat looks good, and cowling looks good on the engine as well. Very good buy in the low 30s. A lot of boat, a lot of power, and in very good shape, so to speak, especially on the vinyl and the interior. I don't see anything of note there. Some denting in those front nose cones where that met the dock before the boat was stopped, but again, not the end of the world. Definitely a clean boat, something you'd have a lot of fun with, and the price point's right. So anyway, look us up online, www.kellysport.com. Or sales@kellysport.com if you have any inquiries. But a great boat, great price, good layout, overall very good shape as well. Look us up online, www.kellysport.com.